Imagine this. You spend months nurturing your strawberry plants, waiting for those first blossoms to bloom. And just when they start, a sudden frost hits, threatening to wipe out your entire crop. Sound familiar? It's happened to me a lot. Frost and freeze damage can set your strawberry plants back or even ruin your harvest. But don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how to protect your strawberries from these cold snaps so you can enjoy your sweet, juicy berries all season long, assuming you're growing everbearers. Let's start with when your plants are most at risk. Not all frost events are created equally. Frost forms when the air temperature is close or below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And freezing temperatures occur when it dips under 32 degrees Fahrenheit for a period of time. Early in the season, when your strawberry buds are still closed in the tight bud stage, they can survive temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. But once those blossoms open up, they become much more sensitive. Just 30 degrees Fahrenheit can damage them. The longer the exposure, the worse the damage. If flowers are lost, this means fewer berries come to harvest time, and nobody wants that. Monitoring the forecast is critical. I like to use our weather radio for the latest information. As soon as the nighttime temperatures are predicted to be below 34 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to act. Now let's discuss the best methods for protecting your plants. Straw mulch does more than just suppress weeds. It insulates your plants, protecting the crowns from temperature swings. In the early spring, after you remove the mulch when there's the first signs of growth, keep it in the row. You may need to reapply it on the frosty nights to shield the blossoms. Row covers are one of the easiest ways to protect plants. Lightweight fabrics can raise the temperature underneath by 2 to 3 degrees, while double-layer plastic covers can boost it up to 10 degrees. Just make sure the covers don't press directly on the flowers, as frost can still damage any part of the plant that touches the cover. You want to cover your plants just before sunset to trap in the warmth from the day, and remove them in the morning once temperatures rise. If you don't, the plants will overheat if it's a sunny day. Watering during freezing temperatures sounds strange, right? But this is how it works. As the water freezes on the plant flowers, it releases a bit of heat. This method only works if the water is applied continuously throughout the freezing period. So once you start, don't stop until the temperatures rise above freezing. Make sure to apply around 0.1 to 0.2 inches of water per hour. Be mindful of the wind speeds, although a lot of times when we have frost, there isn't much wind at all. If it is windy, you'll need more water to protect the plants effectively. This method works well if temperatures stay above 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Below that, even water won't save them. Now here's something many people overlook: your plant's nutrient status. Healthy, well-fertilized plants with balanced nitrogen are more resilient to cold stress. Check out my video on how and when to fertilize strawberries. Avoid over-fertilizing though, because too much nitrogen encourages lush, tender growth, and that's more prone to freeze damage. Another option to try is freeze-pruf, a spray-on product that increases the plant's tolerance to cold. It works by reducing the freezing point of plant tissue, giving your strawberries a little extra buffer against the frost. While it won't prevent all damage, it can buy you some time when temperatures are right on the edge. Special note though, this is not an organic product since it contains polyethylene glycol and glycerin. Remember, a frost and freeze aren't the same. A frost can happen when the temperature is above freezing and if the dew point is low. Freezes occur when air temperatures drop below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and freezes are more dangerous because they last longer and penetrate deeper into the plant tissues. Having both row covers and an irrigation system ready ensures you're prepared for both situations. If you're growing day-neutral strawberries, you might not have to worry so much about frost in spring, since these plants are often transplanted into the garden after the danger of frost is past. But frost still can shorten your harvest, so stay alert. Frost can be a gardener's worst nightmare, but with the right preparation, you can stay one step ahead. Whether you mulch with row covers, irrigation, or use freeze-pruf, it's all about protecting those delicate blossoms so you can enjoy a bountiful harvest. If you found these tips to be helpful, please sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening advice. Thank you for watching. This is Gary, and goodbye.